Are you a beginner driver? Are you a confident learner who can quickly gain new skills? PassMeFast's 40-hour course could be ideal for you. If you'd like to get your license fast, you can complete this course in under 2 weeks. Or, if you'd like more flexibility, you can space it out over a longer period. No matter which you choose, you'll gain all the skills you need to become completely test ready. This course is typically taken over 2 to 8 weeks and includes 39 hours of tuition with a local experienced DVSA approved instructor, plus a practical test, which we will book at a time, date and test centre to suit you. We'll even fast track your test, meaning it will take place weeks or even months ahead of normal waiting times. This means that you could get your license just weeks after booking. This is a fast and flexible option for beginners, with weekends and evenings available. You can even personalise your course, add a theory test, take lessons in an automatic car, or include special requirements. Simply book online or over the phone, and we will do the hard work for you.